Hey man, I'm gonna teach you how to use lotion the right way. Watch the rest of the video to find out. What's happening, everybody? This is your boy Chanel. Welcome back to the lab. We're here for more of that Chanel good talk. Let's get it. I am here to. It's a strange video. We are going to talk about lotion and the different levels to lotion. So just rock with me, okay? Rock with me. Let's get through this video. Now, let's get to specialty. So I am heavily tatted. I got them everywhere. Every couple months, I go through a phase where I like to feel. Even though I don't know if it works or not, I want to rejuvenize my tattoos, right? And lotion doesn't really do that, in my opinion. I don't know if anything really does it. This could be a placebo effect, but hustle butter is supposed to be that. That's what hustle butter is for. But I don't necessarily like oily aftermath. It's really oily. Like it leaves prints everywhere. It's just all over the place. But this one, the ointment, the healing ointment, it's not, it's a little bit too, it almost reminds me a little bit of 2 A&D ointment. So the way I do this, especially for my heavily tatted individuals or people just with really rough or dry skin, combine these two. Combine these two. I do a like 60-40 split, okay? I want a little bit more of the ointment. I want a little bit more of the ointment to the, to the hustle butter, and I put it in here. So this is a combination of the two specialty moisturizer. I love this combination. I love this combination for my tattoos. If I'm going out, I'm gonna be exposed to the sun. I'm comfortable with it being heavy and layery, like sitting on my skin in those kind of environments. And this combination does the best than anything I've tried. But this right here is the best combo for heavily tatted people or really bad dry skin, cracked skin. It makes I don't feel like my tattoos are getting faded out from being in the sun, regardless of how my skin complexion changed, because I get like dark, I get really reddish dark. And with me using this the past decade, this combination, my tattoos still look good. You see it on my arms. I got stuff all over my chest and my back, my legs. They still look new to me. They still look good. They still look vibrant. But specialty lotions, this is the best specialty lotion moisturizer combination. Is hustle butter with Quate ointment. You get a nice little combination. Whatever works best for you. You find the ratio that works best for you. Put it in a little travel ointment. I'm gonna give y'all just a little sample of what it looks like. It's in this thing. I shake it up real good. You know what I'm saying? I shake it up, and then I pop that bad boy open. And you talking about some good. Watch how this thing. Watch how it do. Watch how it make my skin glow. Watch how it make my skin glow, bro. You see the glow? Do you see the glow? Shout it, it's glowing. Look at that. Look at that. My thing popping. My tattoo popping. You know what I'm saying? It's glow. I'm just glistening now, glistening. And that was just a little bit. That was a little bit. You understand me? This is my education on lotion. There's levels to lotions. Please know that. For individuals that don't have to necessarily worry about the visual aspects of their skin looking ashy, you're ashy. Just because you might not see it as prevalent as more melanated individuals, if you don't moisturize your skin, you walk around here ashy. You got flaky skin, and you need to do better. Okay, I'm sorry your mama them didn't teach you that your skin's ashy, but you are. Use lotion, moisturize your skin. It'll save you when you get older. Even if you have the smile, it's gonna save you from getting all them injections in your face. Trust me, okay? So this is my lotion moisturizer education. Hey, talk to me in the comments. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you think I'm full of it, or let me know if you agree with me. But as always, man, make sure you like, comment, or repost. And yeah, I'll see y'all back next time. Y'all be easy.